Hi guys, welcome to MakeupClasses.com. I'm Dawn and today is Makeup Tip Monday number 14. Let's dive right in. Clean hands are fast hands. Don't use your hands as a makeup palette. It's unsanitary and it can cause a huge mess. Clean hands allow you to work quickly without worrying about getting product all over you and your client. Makeup artists, I see this all the time, especially on videos, in books, makeup training books, makeup schools, cosmetology schools, training centers. I see makeup artists, and on location when I'm at jobs, I see makeup artists putting products on their body and then applying it on another person. I see it at the makeup counters especially. Guys, this is wrong in all sense of the word, okay? Do not do this. Number one, it is very unsanitary. It's terrible. You're putting product on your body and then taking that product off of your hand, off of your body, and then applying it on another person. You have germs, you have oil, you have bacteria, you may have dirt on your hands, you may have other makeup products, and you're putting that on another person. It is so unsanitary. I cringe when I see this happening. So do not do this. And your clients don't like it. They might not say it, but they do not like it. Clients like clean, they like sanitary. And these are practices that you should be practicing all the time in every scenario, on every job that you're at, whether it be bridal or TV, print, whatever it is. Do not put products on your hand and apply it on someone else. It also wastes a lot of time. If you're putting product on your hands, okay, you can't focus because you're thinking about the product that's on your hand, worrying about getting it on the person, getting it on yourself, on your clothes. In a very fast-paced environment, you may be asked to touch up hair or zip up a dress or fix a collar. If you have product all over your hands, you're not going to be able to assist other people. You're not going to be able to fix the person's hair or zip up that dress or fix that collar or straighten the jacket. So do not do this. Do not put product on your hand. It's just going to slow you down. It's not efficient. It's super unsanitary, and it just makes a huge mess. I've seen makeup artists try to work with product on their hand, try to move quickly, try to be efficient. It just doesn't happen. It completely slows them down. It's bothersome. The person that's getting their makeup done is also like a little worried, like, ooh, are they gonna get that all over my clothes? Are they gonna get that on themselves? So please do not do this. Well, guys, I hope today's Makeup Tip Monday has helped you. Remember, it's the little things that help you build an amazing, huge career. Please check out all of my social media, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and I'll see you next time on MakeupClasses.com. Bye, everyone.